Hello guys, good morning. For today we have no news. Let's get back to the charts. So let's remove all the drawing and see what price have done. On Euro USD, Euro USD was swept this high, and then we've made a change of character right here. So we expect price to be bearish, but where? And where we can take an entry. Let's see, pound USD. Pound USD absorbed the SI. Currently is here. What we may see here also is liquidity sweep right here. So price was making higher high, higher low, like this, and then we can expect price to go up once price taps this demand zone right here, which we are close. I don't know if we have a monthly candle. Yes, on monthly candle we have stopped. It may be like some buy momentum during the week as it was the previous week, but we have to see. Here I will be looking for confirmation entry model like this, but I don't think we are gonna get it. Price is doing absolutely nothing. Let me see. So here we can see liquidity sweep, we can see a change of character here. Later on price tapped into this zone, or you can take on this zone here, for example, mitigate it, made a new high, and now the new demand zone is this one here. So Euro USD, if the price taps to this zone, I will be looking for confirmations and removal. So we are done with pound USD. Let's check the dollar. The dollar looks bullish, to be honest. In order to get buys on Euro USD and pound USD, the dollars need to reject from this zone. This is very important. So the dollars has to reject from this supply zone in order to take buys on Euro USD and pound USD. It all depends on what dollars wants to do. Let's see gold, pretty bearish. We've swept this low from the monthly candle. I don't think that in 8 days we will be able to flip. Nah, I don't think that. On weekly, if this candle right here close, let's say bullish, then we can look for buys only if these candles flip, and then we can target this high, we can target this high, we can target this high. But at the moment we have absolutely nothing. The only thing is that we swept this low, and here, as you can see, this is a liquidity area, transient liquidity. So let's get back on a lower time frame on gold. On lower time frame, over 15 minutes, we may see for a short momentum setup, and then we can target some buys from this demand zone. We also have internal liquidity. We also have imbalance. We also have a clean order block. Gold looks good, but with this bearish momentum or price action, it will be tough. Let's see the risk reward here. If we enter aggressively from our demand zone, gold gives us 2.4 RR, so this is not worth to even consider. So what I plan to do, guys, what I plan to do on gold is confirmations and remodel once price taps into our demand zone, and see if we can have a smaller stop loss, because targeting 2 RR is not for me, at least. I don't know about you, but I'm not gonna enter aggressively on this trade. But gold is good. Pound USD, I will be watching as well. Let's see on NAS. So NAS was interesting, but on NAS didn't have a clean supply. I was looking for buys, but NAS doesn't have a clean supply, and I cannot enter like that just from the Fibonacci if I don't see a clean order book. This is internal liquidity that NAS just swapped, but I checked all the time frames and we don't have shit, and in these cases we avoid the setups. So NAS, I don't see anything at the moment. Let's see on the higher time frame. Pretty bearish. We've been bearish for like 1, 2, 4 months, 5 months. As you can see, price is rejecting to go up and then continue to downside. Here we have that is mitigated. Here we can say that we have another block, but I doubt it. Not looking that good. Let's see on 5 hours. So you see what happened to us? It swept this liquidity and then boom, pushed to the upside. US30, I was looking for this setup. I didn't take it because look at this 3RR, also price had indicated this one. And when I watched the chart, it was something like this. It didn't fit my setup. I want a clean order block, and my preferred zone would be this order block here. But this was mitigated before, so it wasn't my perfect setup, let's say. Even on the higher time frame, we don't have a clean order block, so I'm avoiding it at the moment. So that's it. What I will be looking for, as I said, is gold 15 minute confirmation entry model and price taps my demand zone. On pound USD, Pound USD, this candle is bullish. It may be something, but this has to close strong bullish. Euro USD is absolutely nothing, so let's wait a little bit more.